In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a user flow diagram in Confluence. Let's get started right from the Confluence home screen. First, open Confluence and head to the workspace where you keep your documentation. From there, click into one of your spaces. Pick the space that holds the page you want to work on so your diagram lives alongside the rest of your team's content. Open the page and click Edit to enter the page editor. In the editor, bring up the Insert menu by typing a / on your keyboard. This is the quickest way to find built-in tools and macros. Start typing the word diagram to filter the options. When you see the diagram option appear, select Create Diagram. Confluence will open a canvas where you can build your user flow. On the canvas, you can manually add shapes and icons to lay out the journey. Use common flowchart shapes for clarity, rectangles for actions, diamonds for decisions, and arrows to show direction. If you prefer a running start, open the Templates panel. Browse until you find a structure that matches your goal, like a flowchart or user journey. When you found one, click Use Template and it will load onto the canvas ready to customize. As you refine the flow, the sticky note tool is great for quick ideas, labels, or to-dos you plan to revisit. The pen tool lets you sketch freehand to circle areas or jot rough paths during brainstorming. Switch to the text tool to add clear step names, inputs, and outcomes. Consistent labeling makes the flow easy to read. Use the line tool to connect steps. Add arrows and adjust curvature so paths are unmistakable, especially at branches. To call out start or end points, the ellipse tool works well. Many teams use a rounded shape to signal entry and exit. The section tool helps you group related parts of the journey, like onboarding versus checkout, so collaborators can focus quickly. If you need lightweight feedback during a review, stamps let participants react or mark items without editing shapes. If your team tracks work in Jira, use import from Jira to bring issues directly onto the canvas. This keeps your flow aligned with real tasks, and you can reference ticket keys while discussing each step. Once you're happy with the diagram, save your changes to keep everything in Confluence. That's it. You've created a clear, shareable user flow diagram your team can reference and iterate on together.